Okay, stop it. Quit it. Ugh, beat it, kid. Get it together. What is he doing anyway? You guys, I was totally just playing around. Okay, so super excited. We have 2 creative videos that are going to be coming up. I know I'm trying my best to get caught up, right? But one is going to be what's going to be trending for 2022 for statement jewelry, for earrings, for necklaces, for all that jazz, specifically for handmade, hand designed, that type of thing, right? Because we already know what the runways are talking about for gold and metal jewelry and stuff like that. But what's our take on it as creatives, right? And then also, I'm going to be doing a tutorial. I'm kind of not sure what I'm going to be making, but I have so many supplies, with the exception of I can't find any of my junk rings. I can't find any of my fishhook ear wires. I need to check Miriam's room. Right? I don't know where all my stuff went to. I feel like I just went to Hobby Lobby and bought stuff a few months ago. It's not like I've been making a whole parcel load of jewelry anyway, but stay tuned. I'm super excited to share my 15-year-old. Stay tuned. We have some creative videos coming up, and I'm super excited, and I miss you guys. Last thing I want you to go ahead and get in place to have on hand, of course, are your earring hooks, earring backs or findings. You want to have some wood pieces, and if you can find it, you want some like metal pieces as well. Even if you take apart some old jewelry, we're going to be doing something with hot glue. So you're gonna need your hot glue gun, and you're gonna need your acrylic paints, so in metallics and maybe in some bright colors. So that's what we're gonna need for the next projects. Go ahead and get your stuff together, and that way you'll be ready when the video comes out. God bless you guys. Talk to you soon.